Hello, welcome TEQ Crypto followers. Today, we will perform a technical analysis of Cardano coin. First of all, let's examine the daily chart, and we can see that it has been moving within a rectangle within a trend channel. It appears that it has shown some nice movements within these levels. As we mentioned in our previous video, the downtrend was broken to the upside, but it was a low volume breakout. This low volume breakout suggests a potential relief in price movements. However, we will now analyze the 4-hour time frame, where more important observations can be made. The crucial aspect is for the price to break the rising trend channel to the downside. If the price breaks this rising trend channel downwards, it will likely drop to the 0.33 level. Our expectation is for the price to hold this channel and rise towards the 0.41 to 0.43 range. Therefore, this trend is significant for us. If the trend starts moving upwards, it will likely reach these levels. Because those levels serve as resistance areas for the channel, they can also act as support levels. Approximately, the 0.45 levels correspond to these areas, if we draw them. In the past, these levels have been significant points of breakouts. Particularly, if breakouts occur at these points, even this section here will be better for us. If we draw it like this, these areas have functioned as both resistance and support. Therefore, it can be interpreted as an important intermediate trend zone. Let's mention that as well. Of course, what matters most to us are the support and resistance zones where we can make profits and earn money. Let's mention that as well. Furthermore, if we examine our indicators, we start with the Fisher indicator. Fisher indicated a buy signal around May 12th. But we can't say that we have seen a significant increase in price movements. The reason is that price movements are currently squeezed within this range. We will see more clearly in the 4-hour timeframe charts that price movements are currently moving within a triangle. Therefore, initially, the price will likely drop to this level. After moving within the triangle for a while, we expect it to break out and rise to this level. Of course, it is not necessary for it to rise all the way to this level. There may be support and resistance zones in between, as we mentioned earlier. However, it is likely that it will eventually reach around 0.47. After breaking this zone, we will have some interesting discussions. Therefore, this point is important. Additionally, after looking at the Fisher indicator, let's examine the wave trend indicator. The wave trend actually gave a buy signal on May 13th. However, after that date, we don't see a significant upward movement in the wave trend. The price movements in the wave trend are confused both in terms of momentum and the line. Furthermore, if we look at the RSI indicator, it also reflects the same situation we mentioned earlier. There is not much upward movement, and there may be confusion. Therefore, it will not be useful for us to trade based on the indicators at the moment. It will be more accurate for us to conduct our analysis based on support and resistance zones. Now, if we look at the 4-hour timeframe chart, the event I mentioned earlier is that price movements are squeezed within a triangle over the course of 3 days. This is the combination of 2 points and the support zone we saw on the daily timeframe. If we draw it in the shape of a triangle, we can say that it is moving within a triangle like this. As it appears, of course, we can still pull it upwards. But actually, the correct representation for us will be as follows. We are moving within this triangle. Whichever way this triangle breaks, the price movements will move in that direction. Of course, we do not want the formation of support in this area, because it corresponds to an upward trend on the daily chart, and even on the 4-hour chart as well. Therefore, we do not want this zone to be broken. Let's mention this here as well. Can we draw an upward trend again? As it appears in the 4-hour chart, my friends, it's a complete drawing. Even if we don't draw it here, a small one again, we can say that there is an upward trend. So actually, the point we need to follow here was our downtrend point. We want this point to be broken, my friends. We want the break of this line so that we can slowly start making money in ADA coin. Let's mention this here as well, my friends, and slowly come to the end of our video. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of ADA coin with you. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel to be informed about future videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye until the next videos.